The most awaited and the culturally rich festival of India has already begun, and that is none other than the Ranotsav. And currently, I'm reporting from one of the most culturally rich tent city of this particular Ranotsav, and it is none other than the Ranotsav tent city, organized and in fact prepared by Evoke Experiences. So the speciality and uniqueness of this particular tent city is that it holds the entire culture, rich heritage, tradition, religion of Gujarat under one umbrella. When you walk into this tent city, you will feel that you are walking into Gujarat under one umbrella that holds the entire culture. Now, how is it's being prepared? What are the, in fact, speciality, and how it is different from other tent cities, and in fact, what are the key points of this particular tent city? To get to know more about it, I'm being joined by the COO of Evoke Experiences, Mr. Bhavik Seth. Thank you so much, Bhavik, for speaking with Times Network. First of all, what is the uniqueness of this particular tent city that's been prepared by Evoke Experiences?
So basically, you are seeing the setup. ये पूरी की पूरी चीज़ is a temporary. Every year we create this tent city for 4 months. Every year this Ranotsav, the desert festival, is being celebrated for 4 months from November to February, because the desert gets formed during the winters only. So every year we dismantle it. We every year create it by giving it a local flavor of Kutch, with the local artisans and with the help of all the local craftsmen. This entire place of the 5 lakh square meter is being created, and this is every year a winter affair for us.
So you said that every year you dismantle it, every year you create it, and in fact you also have to add new flavor to it. It's not like that you are in fact running it since past more than a decade. It's been a decade. But then what's new every time, and what's new this time?
So basically, every year we, as our brand name suggests, we focus on the experiences. So every year we try to enhance the experiences, and apart from that, the structures and the festivities and the artistic work, every year we try to enhance. We try to create the different level of areas. Let's say the left hand side of us, where we are talking right now, we have a heart area that we had developed before 3 years. Then we have.
So what does this heart area has?
So basically, it represents the handloom handicraft of Kutch, where all the local artisans do come. They display their art, and the tourists, all the incoming tourists can buy the various handloom handicraft stuff from this artist, and it's a best way of the livelihood. That we can promote, and through the social media nowadays, these artisans get connected to this guest, and they are able to reach their art to at a national and at an international level.
And as far as this particular, in fact, construction, this infrastructure is concerned, this gives a feeling like as if you're walking into the tent city and entering into a mahal. So what is the concept of this?
So basically, as I said you, that when we create the infrastructure, the architecture, we try to, promote the local art, local culture. So these are specifically the inspiration from the various established structures of Kutch, from where we take the inspiration in terms of our architecture. So we are in-house designing the architecture team who work heavily on the local flavor and the local art and the local architecture, and based on that we create this sort of infrastructure.
There's a special suite also that's been prepared, and in fact we also covered that, and in fact Prime Minister is also likely to visit the Ranotsav. In fact he was the one who started this entire Utsav. So what's special about that particular, the tent, Darbari tent, which is called as, in which if Prime Minister comes, he will be in fact staying in that?
So basically, Darbari suite is around 1600 square feet, 2-bedroom tent that we had specially curated for the Honorable Prime Minister. Post is getting Prime Minister. He visited us in 2015, and then in that year we had created this tent. And the outside of the tent, there are bulletproof walls that are being installed. So all the safety and the security concerns are being taken care well. And this place is very close to Honorable Prime Minister, and he likes to visit this place very often.
Right. So how many tents are prepared in total, and also what is the footfall if we talk about?
So there are almost 400 tents that we erect every year, and every year close to 40,000 tourists from all across India come to this desert festival called Ranotsav, and they stay with us and they opt for various packages that we do offer.
Okay, and this time again I would ask, what will make this particular tent city special, because n number of tent cities have been installed, and in fact we are progressing towards Naya Bharat. technologically also, and in fact in terms of upgrading economically also, and 360 degree. So what is this time from your side?
So basically, the people prefer to, the people prefer this tent city over the other stay options is because of the, the reflection of Kutch, a true flavor of Kutch, a heavily emphasis on the focus on the experience part as the brand name suggests. So there are n number of experiences. They can witness the stargazing, they can see the white desert sunset, they can ride on the camel, they can have the multiple art installments of the reflection which is the reflection of Kutch. There are n number of the artists where they can see the various arts in terms of the live demonstration, the folk, the music, the culture. That is the main USP of this tent city and Evoke experience as a brand.
So last but not the least, since in fact we are in Gujarat, you are a Gujarati, a message that you would like to give to all the people in your own language.
કચ્છ તૈયાર છે, રણોત્સવ તૈયાર છે. તમારે ગુજરાતની મુલાકાત દરમિયાન તમે અચૂક આ જગ્યાની મુલાકાત લો અને એક કચ્છને એક રિયલ સેન્સમાં કઈ રીતે તમે એન્જોય કરી શકો છો એ અહીંયા આવીને તમે ખુદ અનુભવો.
So as he said, Kutch તૈયાર છે, રણોત્સવ તૈયાર છે, તમે આવશે, and in fact that is what the essence of this particular tent city will be, that you need not to in fact roam around in the entire Gujarat, just come to this particular tent city and get to know the culture and tradition of Gujarat very closely. With Vijay Harendra, this is Tejri for Times Network from Kutch.